is Kathy from Kathy Cooks For You, and welcome to my home and my kitchen. I was given this beautiful brown paper bag for Christmas, and inside here are foodstuffs of sort. I'm really not sure, I haven't opened it. The tape is still along the top, and it's a mission. It's an impossible mission. So I'm naming this episode Mission Impossible. I have a letter in here that I'm supposed to read aloud and gives me guidelines as to what I'm supposed to cook, or how I'm supposed to cook it, or I'm not really sure. So we will find out together. All right, our letter says to prepare a full dinner using ingredients in this mystery bag. Rules. Rule number 1, you can purchase any protein you like. Rule number 2, you cannot look at the mystery bag until the mission has begun, which it's begun. Number 3, you must use at least 7 ingredients in this bag. Number 4, you may use any ingredient in your pantry, freezer, or refrigerator. Well, that makes life a little easier. Number 5, you must prepare a protein and 2 sides for the meal to be complete. Wow, this is going to take some time. You must record and post on Kathy Cooks For You site, and you must invite your friend to dinner. Now my friend is here watching, she's behind the camera right now, so she's being awful quiet and watching this episode. This is your mission. May the ingredients inspire you and the mission encourage you, and whatever you choose, know your friend loves you. Oh, that's sweet. Merry Christmas, XOXO. I did know that I was able to use the meat of my choice. The easy thing would have been to use a ground meat or chicken breast, but I decided that was too easy and I needed to challenge myself a little more. I chose pork tenderloin as my meat choice. So let's see what's in this bag. Alrighty. My friend, her name's Stacy, I'm not going to call her my friend, her name's Stacy. Stacy knows me a little too well. There's wine in here. So I'm going to put this in my freezer as I take it. So hold on. Just thought of something. I might need it to cook with. We'll see. Either way, it'll be fine. Cool. Oh, chai tea. So chai tea is very spicy. Chickpea chips. Interesting. All right, ketchup, okay, ketchup, sweet, has vinegar and tomato. So you'd be surprised what you can do with ketchup. Ooh, garlic flavored olive oil, mystery seasoning, cool. Bourbon honey, another sweet one. Aged pure maple balsamic vinegar from the same company that made olive oil, so wow, yum. Soy sauce, thank you for giving me soy sauce, that's, you know. Green curry paste. Ooh, Creole mustard. Okay, I gotta get some glasses on here. Dried Chardonnay wine grapes. Okay, that smells really good. That's going to be amazing on pork. And this has, let's see, green chilies, garlic. Okay, so this has lemongrass too. Thai ginger, salt, shallot. Okay, I'm using that for sure. All right, soy sauce will be used for sure, because if I'm using this, it looks like I'm going a little Asian. Okay, garlic infused olive oil, I'll definitely be using that because I need garlic. Let's see. Oh, that just smells like pancakes. Let me try that. That would be good with some vanilla ice cream. But I don't have vanilla ice cream, so, and I don't think that would be considered a side now, would it? So this I'm gonna put over here. I'm not totally sure I can use that. Oh, let's try our mystery spice. Definitely that. So up to 4. I'm gonna open this up and try one. Those are tasty. I think I have an idea for them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm up to 5. Oh, I wonder what rice would taste like cooked with tea bags in there. And make a spicy chai rice? We could try it. Kind of crunchy. And I don't really think I like the texture of that. So I think we're going to use honey. Of course, I'll need some honey. What do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I may use the ketchup too. I don't know. We'll just leave it off to the side. We'll leave all the things I'm not using off to the side. So now this is what has made the gravy. So with this, now I have to decide what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take a slight break and figure out what I'm going to do, get my pots and pans out, and then I'll be back. I'm back. I took a couple minutes just to get organized. I got my pork out. I have 2 pork tenderloins. I got those out. You know, I could add other things from my pantry. So I am going to do rice, a spicy rice with cilantro, and my spices are going to be from the chai tea. Then I'm going to make a rub with the green curry paste, this mystery seasoning, maybe some 5 spice, I'm not sure yet, and brown sugar. And that's going to be my rub, and these are going to be baked in the oven, wrapped up in tin foil. My third thing is going to be a green salad. Everything's green. I have my super green mix, I have some cucumbers, and I have some sweet peas. And I will make a dressing with the olive oil and the honey that I was given. Oh, I want to use some soy sauce on the pork too. So everything is going to be green. Green curry pork, green salad, and a spicy green rice. So we're going green. Hey, and it was Christmas gift, so I should add some red. We'll see. Maybe I'll use that ketchup. Let's start. I'm going to get some tin foil out. I'm going to get 2 pieces because I have 2 pieces of pork. And I'm just going to put this right on top of here. We'll just do one at a time. I'm going to start with my seasoning mix. I'm going to put that on. And rub that in. So we got kind of a dry rub going. I'm too lazy to use the grill. This probably would taste good on the grill. Some extra salt and flavor there. And now the green curry paste. I have some recipes with red curry paste that I can't wait to share with you. And now I am experimenting with green, which I have never used, but it tastes good. So brown sugar, and then our 5 spice. And I'm just gonna put a layer right on top like that and pat it down. We'll see, guys. We'll see. And then I'm just going to do a light sprinkle. My house is going to smell like it's from another country, I'll tell you that much. And then I'm just going to wrap this up. And we're going to stick it in the oven. Just like that. All right, these are ready to go in the oven. I put it at 400. And I don't know how long. The time is 3:43. Stacy, time is 3:43. We'll see how long these take to get done. And while those are cooking, we're gonna make the rice and our salad and have a glass of wine and see what happens.